It's National Husband Appreciation Day Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram channel, on our Instagram account of course, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you are here, you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. If you go to my story, you'll have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to new 2022 March at highlights, you will definitely have it there. So click here, and now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, just like this. And you can check my other viral trends if you like this one. It has almost 1 million, so you can check this. You can go to the tutorial. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And then from here you have to go to your uploads and choose a photo with your husband, of course. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you to solve your problem by clicking on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.